Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In last lecture we learned about matrix and few commands of MATLAB. In this lecture we are going to learn about help command. Help command will tell about other commands, syntax and commands which is related to that your command. Help, sorry my bad. Let's type size, which I will teach you in last lecture. Here it is syntax of size command, what it can do, description of size command, and here few commands which are related to size command. One of them is length, which I also show you in my last lecture, and there are two extra command, nd minus normal, which I leave on you. Check by yourself what they can do or find by help command. I always prefer one command while using MATLAB is format compact. It will remove blank space. Let's check out first. Here there are blank space between B and numbers. After typing compact, blank space is removed. Now check this command by help. Here is a description of format command, and here other types of format. Format commands is lots of varieties like short, long, short G, long G, but I am interested in compact, and here it is. It suppress extra line feeds, means remove extra lines. There is also one command which exactly do opposite work of compact, is format loose. It add extra lines. I will show you. Now blank space is back. I never recommended this format. I always like compact format. So let's get back to my format compact. If I will show you one thing, I had back. I had a one function is f.m. It does a simple thing, run my function format compact, and how a function will work I will show you in another lecture. But by using this function I just run format compact command by just typing f. I will show you first. B f. Now all blank space are gone, and my future lecture I am always going to use format compact only. Now there are also another way to search about commands without using help command. One of them is search documentation. Try some commands like sum, which I also saw you in last lecture. Check it. It's like some error in website here, but let's forget it. Here you can see, you can show you the description of that command, syntax, examples related to. So by seeing example you get few ideas how command will work. It is the best way of learning some new things. I also learn many commands from here by help or documentation. I also recommend it to you or insist you. And also one command is doc. It will do same thing which can be done by search documentation. Check it. Doc sum. Same error, same descriptions and examples. But a question arises, what if I don't remember commands, if I forget it, or if I don't know? Example, we know sum will do summation of matrix. Now I want to do summation of matrix, but I don't know the command. Then there is no need to worry. Here you go, type summation, because you want to summation of matrix. And here is your command sum. Description, examples, and it not only give you sum, it also give other commands which are related to sums, like sum, add pattern, fire style, or tick tock, one of my favorite. I will teach you in another lecture. So there are three ways by to some new commands: help, search documentation, or dog command. Here we end our session. So goodbye. See you in next lecture.